Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Dropbox files and cloud storage. On uh, storage, we go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, we click on Dropbox app. In this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. In this page, we click on clear cache. Here you turn on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.